what's up? It's your boy Joey, man. You know what I mean? I had a problem, you know what I mean? Some girl, you know what I mean, so I came with a dirty shirt to the club. But I'm always fresh, you know what I mean? I mean, polo right now, you know. Just came back from a photo shoot, taking pictures, whatever, you know what I mean? So, you know how we kick you know what I mean? But to the girl that was saying I had a dirty t-shirt at the club, you know what I mean? I know you ain't talking. You always sloppy, you know what I mean? And I don't know. You probably fucked my homeboy. You probably fucked my other homeboy. I don't know. You know what I mean? But let me make a short word.
I know you
smashed him. And guess what? You was slut. But anyway, I'm talking about y'all fake females. You know what I mean? Fake females these days just be on some other shit, man. You know what I mean? If you don't want to mess with me, don't mess with me. You know what I mean? Just be real. I don't want to mess with you. My homeboy gonna talk right now. You know, I'll be back. I'll be right back, man.
Sup, this your boy Chance. You know what it is, man. Junior, I got a problem with my wife and shit, you know what I'm saying? But fuck that shit, you know what I'm saying? Let's talk about them dirty girls, man, you know what I'm saying?
I'm mad as a mud, boy.
Vanessa, I fuck with you my home girl, but fuck you, man.
I'm mad, fuck.
I don't fuck with you no more, you know what I'm saying? That's all it is. And, damn, who else, man? But I want to know why girls are so stupid, man. God! Fuck, man.
Yeah, hold on. I don't know why he said that, but why girls are so stupid? Why girls are stupid? Why? Because they stupid.
Bitches! I love y'all bitches, man, but y'all stupid, man. God. Whoa! Y'all motherfuckers piss me off. And when now? My God, I don't even know what to say about this.
How do we piss you off?
I ain't gonna take that back. I love stupid girls. You know what I mean? I love stupid girls.
But y'all stupid. I said, motherfucker.
The boys know about it. The boys know about it. You know what I mean?
Now look. I love ladies. I love y'all. Pussy's good. I love you. Y'all stupid, man.
Hold on. I'm not a player, but shout out to my girlfriend. Shout out to all my wives right there. You know what I mean? I'm not single, but I don't have a ring, but you know what I mean?
Shout out to you, baby.
We still
hey, shout out to Erica China in the building.
We still young, you know
what I mean? You
already
know what it is, man.
We're not married, so we can do it with one.
What's up?
If I'm married, I'm gonna stay with one girl, but I'm not. I'm staying with one, 5 million. How you fucking girl?
Say something about the.
Hey, man.
Say something about the.
Oh, shit, we gotta take another one for that, man. No.
Get that.
No. Hey, peace out, all y'all bitches. Fuck y'all, man. You know what I'm saying?
Part 2 coming up next, you already know.